Hello there, it's Precious again. We continue from where we stopped in the CSS class, and this is CSS Syntax. A basic CSS rule consists of a selector and a declaration block. The selector points to the HTML elements you want to style. So if you want to style the H2 tag, the selector is what points to it. The declaration block contains one or more declarations separated by a semicolon. Each declaration contains a CSS property name and a value separated by a colon. Multiple CSS declarations are separated with semicolons, and declarations blocks are surrounded by curly braces. So you can see the CSS syntax description on my screen. Don't worry, in the next couple of videos we will be typing this out, but I just want you to look at this and get a full grasp of what it entails. So this is CSS syntax in a brief description for you. See you in the next video.